how to see file extensions like PDF, JPEG, or doc on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable file extensions in the Files app. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. Next, tap Browse at the bottom of the screen. Now, open any folder, such as iCloud Drive or On My iPhone. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select View Options. Here, look for the option called Show All Extensions. Simply turn this option on. Once enabled, you will start seeing full file extensions like .pdf, .jpeg, .png, or .docx next to your file names. This makes it easier to identify file types quickly, especially when managing multiple documents or downloads. On my device, the layout may look slightly different depending on the iOS version, but the option is usually found in the View Settings menu. And that's how to show file extensions in the Files app on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and guides.